Welcome to my presentation. In this presentation, we shall see examples using the product rule. So, in this example, let us say we have an example of this kind. Example, y is equal to 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x times x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7. To be able to solve these, we're going to use the product rule. So step number 1, we're going to use the product rule, and the way to use the product rule is as follows. We're going to take the first function and then differentiate the second function, plus we're going to take the second function and then differentiate the first function. So first function, 3x squared minus 5x d by dx of the second function, which is x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 minus 7, plus the second function, which is x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 3 minus 7 d by dx of the first function, which is 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x close brackets, close parenthesis. So now we're going to apply the differentiation. So in step number 2, we're going to simplify it some more. 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x. Now we're going to apply the differentiation techniques in here. We're going to differentiate each one of the functions in here, d by dx of x to the power of 4 minus d by dx of 2x to the power of 3 minus d by dx of 7, like that, close brackets. And then now we'll take the second part of it and then write it down here, plus x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7, open brackets. We're going to differentiate each one of those terms there, d by dx of 3x to the power of 2 minus d by dx of 5x, close brackets. So in step 3, we're going to differentiate the terms inside the brackets. So step 3, we're going to write 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x d by dx of x to the power of 4. Now we can use the power rule. So the value of n is equal to 4 there. So therefore 4x to the power of 4 minus 1, which is 3, minus d by dx of 2x cubed. So 2 is a constant. So x cubed, n is equal to 3 there. So therefore 3x to the power of 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So then minus d by dx of a constant number 7 is going to be equal to 0. So we put a 0 there, and then go to the next part of the simplification process. So plus x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7, open brackets, d by dx of 3x to the power of 2, 3 is a constant, so d by dx of x to the power of 2, n here is equal to 2, so therefore 2x to the power of 2 minus 1, which is going to be equal to 1, so therefore we can leave it as 2x, minus d by dx of 5x, so we can take the 5 out as a constant, and then d by dx of x is going to be equal to 1, so therefore close brackets. Now we are ready to simplify this some more. So in step number 4, we're going to simplify it further. So we have 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x as the first term, and then times 4x cubed is what we have there, minus 2 times 3 is 6x to the power of 2, and we can ignore the 0. Then we have plus x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7 times 3 times 2x is 6x, and then 5 times 1 is 5. So we have all the terms. It is just a matter of using the distribution process to be able to simplify it further. In step number 5, we're going to do that process, simplification process. So we have 3x to the power of 2 times 4x to the power of 4, x to the power of 3. So let me rewrite this. 4x to the power of 3, like that, plus 3x squared times minus 6x to the power of 2, 6x to the power of 2, then minus 5x times 4x to the power of 3, minus 5x times minus 6x to the power of 2. Then we'll come to the second part of the equation, plus x to the power of 4 times 6x plus x to the power of 4 times minus 5 minus 2x to the power of 3 times 6x minus 2x to the power of 3 times negative 5, and then we have negative 7 times 6x, and then negative 7 times negative 5. So we have all the terms, and we need to simplify it some more. So as step number 6, we're going to simplify that process. 3x to the power of 2 times 4x to the power of 3 is going to be equal to 12x to the power of 5. Then positive 3x squared times negative 6x squared is going to be equal to negative 18x to the power of 4. Then negative 5x times 4x cubed is going to be equal to negative 20x to the power of 4. Negative 5x times negative 6x squared is going to be equal to positive 30x to the power of 3. Then we have x to the power of 4 times 6x is going to be equal to plus 6x to the power of 5. Then minus 5x to the power of 4. And then we have negative 12x to the power of 4. Negative 2x cubed times negative 5 is positive 10x to the power of 3. Negative 7 times 6x is going to be equal to negative 42x. Negative 7 times negative 5 is going to be equal to positive 35. So we have simplified we have expanded, distributed all the terms which are involved in here. So therefore now we're going to collect the like terms. In step number 7, we're going to perform that operation. So we're going to look for the highest powers of x. X to the power of 5 is the highest power. We have 12x to the x to the 5th plus 6x to the 5th. So that is going to be equal to 18x to the 5th. Then we have 18x to the 4 minus 20x to the 4 minus 12x to the 4. So we continue the process of simplification here. So we have 18x to the 18x to the power of 5. Then we have we'll collect all the x to the power of 4 terms, minus 18x to the power of 4 minus 20x to the power of 4 minus 5x to the power of 4 minus 12x to the power of 4. These are all like terms. And then we have x to the power of 3 terms plus 30 x to the power of 3 plus 10 x to the power of 3. Then we have some x terms minus 42x plus 35. So we'll simplify this some more, and then in step number 8 we're going to simplify this. So this is going to be equal to 18 x to the power of 5. 18, let me erase this. 18 x to the power of 5, negative 18x to the power of 4 plus negative 20x to the power of 4 plus negative 5x to the power of 4 minus 12x to the power of 4. When we add them up, it is going to come out as negative 55x to the power of 4. And then we have plus 30x to the power of 3 plus 10x to the power of 3. This is going to be equal to plus 40x to the power of 3 minus 42x plus 35. So therefore, when we wanted to find the derivative of this product, 3x to the power of 2 minus 5x times x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed minus 7, the derivative of that function dy by dx is equal to 18x to the power of 5 minus 55x to the power of 4 plus 40x cubed minus 42x plus 35. So that is our answer. So that's where we want to leave it. This is our answer. Okay. So in my next presentation, we shall see the proof of the quotient rule followed by some examples.